Monetary metals gold leases. A common objection to gold investing is the opportunity cost to gaining yields in other areas such as treasury bonds, T-bills, or high-quality equities. Monetary metals overcomes this objection through its gold and silver lease fixed income products. More importantly, you will earn interest that is paid in gold, not depreciating fiat dollars. Monetary metals gold lease is an innovative mechanism that lets you earn by loaning your gold to businesses. This strategy offers a consistent income, risk mitigation, and tax efficiency. Starting at 10 ounces of gold, you can participate in competitive auctions for lease interest rates. Monetary Metals conducts a thorough vetting of businesses, guaranteeing security and transparency. You'll receive monthly or quarterly gold interest, adding to your earnings. We will reveal how this unique model can revolutionize your financial strategy. Understanding gold lease basics. Exploring the fundamentals of gold leasing, it's important to highlight that this investment strategy enables you to earn gold by lending it to businesses through a system designed for interest income, risk reduction, and tax efficiency. Basically, you're not just sitting on your gold assets, you're making them work for you. To understand how this plays out, let's consider the nitty-gritty of the process. In a typical gold leasing scenario, businesses borrow gold instead of cash. This approach is a strategic move to avoid the risks associated with gold price volatility, which can have a notable impact on profit margins. By choosing to lease gold, these businesses are freeing themselves from the costs and risks tied to shorting futures contracts. From your perspective as an investor, this opens up opportunities for earning interest. You have the freedom to offer interest rates to participate in specific gold leases, and in return you receive monthly or quarterly gold interest. Role of monetary metals. While setting up your gold lease account, Monetary Metals plays a pivotal role in bringing your investment to life, serving as the facilitator that matches you with suitable gold-using businesses. This process is not haphazard. Monetary Metals conducts rigorous due diligence on businesses before considering them for gold leases. They work exclusively with companies that use gold productively and hold physical gold, guaranteeing your investment is not only secured but generates substantial returns. Monetary Metals charges a fixed fee to facilitate this matching process. They present potential lease terms and due diligence results for your review, providing a transparent and efficient means of investing. This isn't about taking wild chances. It's about calculated decisions based on thorough research. In a gold lease, your participation requires interest rates to clear at or above the offered rate. This mechanism ensures you're not shortchanged in the deal. Monetary Metals' role doesn't end after the lease initiation. They continue to oversee the lease, ensuring that businesses fulfill their obligations and that you receive your gold interest. Investing in gold leases is a fantastic way of earning passive income. Monetary Metals simplifies this experience, providing a robust and secure platform for gold leasing. The process is not only user-friendly but also profitable, thanks to their careful selection of businesses and diligent management of the lease terms. Their proactive role guarantees you get the best deal possible, adding value to your investment. Monetary Metals truly is the cornerstone of successful gold leasing. I would just like to take a moment to thank you for supporting our channel. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy this video content. It really does make a difference. Now back to the video. Initiating a gold lease. Initiating a gold lease with Monetary Metals is a straightforward process, often beginning with opening an account containing a minimum of 10 ounces of gold. This first step is crucial as it sets the foundation for your future transactions. Once you've got your account set up, it's time for the preliminary round. In this phase, you'll be presented with a selection of businesses that are in need of gold. These businesses are thoroughly evaluated by Monetary Metals for their financial stability and reliability, so you can feel confident in your choices. Next, as an investor, you'll have the opportunity to offer interest rates to participate in specific gold leases. This competitive auction process is designed to determine a fair rate of return for both you and the business. It's an open market operation, meaning you set your minimum interest rate and the highest acceptable rate wins. Following this, if your offered rate is at or above the cleared rate, you'll be able to participate in the gold lease. Then, the gold lease generates monthly or quarterly gold interest for you. The entire process is managed and facilitated by Monetary Metals for a fixed fee, making it both simple and efficient. They handle the heavy lifting, including conducting thorough due diligence on the businesses and managing the logistics of the gold lease. Another key benefit to working with Monetary Metals is free storage on unleased metals. Monetary Metals offers free storage and insurance for any metal not leased out or invested in gold bonds. This is not a standard offering in the industry, where storage fees can range from 0.50% to 2%. It's a significant advantage that could save you a substantial amount of money over time. Consider this: if you're storing $50,000 worth of gold, a 2% annual storage fee would cost you $1,000 every year. With Monetary Metals, you'd save that amount and have additional peace of mind knowing your investment is both safely stored and insured. But there's more to this benefit than just cost savings. By offering free storage and insurance, Monetary Metals is expressing confidence in the security and integrity of their storage facilities. It's a clear signal they're committed to the protection of your assets. Ready to get started right now? See the direct link in the video description to visit Monetary Metals' official site. Once there, you can complete a simple form to be sent further details. Start earning a real yield paid in real money. Exploring additional resources. To further enhance your understanding and take full advantage of the gold leasing process with Monetary Metals, a wealth of additional resources awaits your perusal. You're encouraged to explore these resources, which include detailed information on the funded deals available on the Monetary Metals website. Here you'll find invaluable insights into the performance of past leases, aiding in your assessment of potential future investment opportunities. Understanding the nuances between true gold leases and conventional bullion bank leases is vital. By exploring these differences, you'll gain a deeper comprehension of how Monetary Metals' unique model works to your advantage. This knowledge, coupled with an up-to-date list of upcoming lease opportunities, will empower you to make informed decisions and position yourself advantageously in the gold leasing market. Additionally, the Gold Yield Marketplace is an essential resource for you to explore. It offers a transparent platform where gold lease options are openly available, giving you the power to choose the leases that best fit your financial goals. It's a dynamic environment where you can engage with offers in real time, ensuring you're always at the forefront of the latest opportunities. Insights on Monetary Metals' lease model. A review. Delving deeper into the model, let's break down its unique aspects. 1. Gold leasing. You lease your gold to businesses requiring it for their operations. It's not just about storage, you're actively using your gold to generate income. 2. Return on investment. You earn a fixed 2 to 5% return on your investment. The weighted average rate of return in the lease program currently hovers between 3% and 4%. This return is paid in gold, adding to your existing gold reserves. 3. Risk mitigation. Monetary Metals conducts rigorous due diligence before matching investors with businesses. This ensures that you're lending your gold to credible businesses, reducing risk. 4. Ease of process. With a minimum of 10 ounces of gold, you can open an account and start your gold lease journey. Monetary Metals relationship managers are there to guide you every step of the way. In essence, the Monetary Metals lease model creates a win-win situation, benefiting both gold owners and businesses. With this model, you have the opportunity to contribute to the gold industry while also expanding your wealth. It's a golden opportunity indeed. To sum it all up, Monetary Metals' gold lease program offers a unique strategy to maximize your gold assets. You're not just safeguarding your investment against market volatility, but also earning steady returns. You're in control, determining your interest rates and watching your gold work for you. This isn't just a new way to invest in gold, it's a game changer. Explore the world of gold leasing and make your gold truly productive. Get started now. See the link in the video description to visit Monetary Metals' official site. Complete a simple form to be sent further details. Start earning a competitive, real yield that isn't degraded by inflation. Earn interest on gold, paid in gold. Thank you for watching.